Hello guys, today we will talk about ARP poisoning. As the name suggests, once again, let's me start the new topic, that is ARP poisoning, which is widely used in for ethical hacking and pen tester nowadays, and which is widely used for only for business purpose, not for any kind of casual purpose, I would say. So let's explain what is ARP poisoning and all. First of all, I will take one color and I will explain. Let me choose color. Okay, so as the name suggests, ARP, that means address. Let me zoom in. Address resolution protocol. Table. There will be a table of IP address and then MAC address, like that, like IP address 192 point like 0.0.1 to, like that, and etc. So MAC address will be e like 00, like 16 digit. MAC address will be there. So likewise, there will be so many my IP addresses and so many MAC addresses. So for that, it is called resolution protocol. Now coming back to the topic, I will be explaining about. Wait a second. Let me take another color. Yeah, black. So what is ARP poisoning? The question is, what is poisoning or spoofing? Poisoning or spoofing, right? So that means, like, suppose, let me give one example. I have one example. Up down. Yes. Suppose this is a attacker machine, right? This is attacker machine. This is having a MAC address, this one, and IP address, this one. Then this is the victim, that is the target machine. That is the target where the attacker want to target. So this is the victim machine, like MAC address here, IP address is here. And suppose the attacker and the victim both are connected with the same device, suppose switch, router. I would say router nowadays because no one is using switch. So mostly the internet cable and all, like Wi-Fi. Our Wi-Fi's are connected from router only. Like, and the internet is going up to here also, up to attacker machine also, and up to me victim machine also. And the router is connected to the internet, right? Now you understood this. Now what will happen, that attacker will send request who has sent request to the router, and router, as we also notice here, that router is already having the IP addresses, that is 192.168.1.1. Just take it as example. I will explain later that was the IP address and how we connect and all. Then the ARP response, that will be MAC address, will be responded by the that router to both the victim and both the attacker, right? What will happen here, while IP address, that IP gateway, IP gateway will be the same for router, and both means IP gateway, whatever they are surfing, suppose internet, they are means opening google.com or anything. So gateway will be same for both, right, for attacker and victim. So what will happen actually, he will means he will do something, like he will scan the things, he will use the things from any like any attacker, means any kind of software or anything, and he will bypass the things, he will intercept this IP gateway address, and then another victim address will intercept that both address. I mean, this one is IP address of victim machine, right? This is victim machine, and this is IP address of gateway. That is for both common IP address, right? So what attacker will do? Attacker will intercept this. Means he will listen both the things, and he will capture whatever the victim is writing, whatever he is opening, any website he is logging. So attacker will keep track of that by the use of Wireshark or any kind of ethercap like that application. I will explain this later. So this is happening actually, and then means now I can explain that ARP poisoning is the method of capturing and monitoring the packets whatever it is going through the internet and coming to the victim whatever the victim is doing, and he can capture anything. So that is the meaning of ARP poisoning or spoofing. Spoofing is also the same meaning. Now coming back to the practical, first of all what I will do, let me go to the Kali machine. First I will check IP address. You can see here this is the IP address of attacker machine, that is 192.168.153.1.28, and this is the MAC address, right? This is the MAC address like 000C 2903 EC6A. This is the MAC address. Just remember this. Okay, this is very important. Just remember this MAC address, and this one is the attacker's IP address. Now let's go to the victim machine. Now because I have made Windows 7 as a victim machine, and that Kali machine is a attacker machine. Now wait a second. Now I will write IPCONIPFG, that is IP config, and we will get some IP addresses here. You can see here there are a lot of IP addresses like IP4 address. This is the IP address of the victim machine, that is 192.168.150.130, and this is the default gateway. This is default gateway for both, that is 192.168.1532 1532.2. This notice this. Okay, notice this one. Wait a second. Wait, where is the zooming is not here available, but yes, notice this one, 192.168.153.2. Okay, now let's go to the OneNote. I will explain something here. Let's go to the OneNote. I have already. Yeah, yellow. Yeah, yellow. Yeah, yellow. That will be great. That will be great. This is the default gateway. That is 192.168.153.2. That is the default gateway. Now this is the IP address of the victim machine, that is 192.168.153.130. Just remember this, okay? And I have already said there were Kali Linux IP address I have shown you, and then MAC address also I have shown you. Now let's go to Kali machine. Wait a second. Let's go to Kali machine and just open application. And go to ethercap, right? Ethercap. This is the machine basically used for capturing and means capturing that whatever the IP address means whatever the victim machine is doing in his machine, then he can capture all the data and kind of login credentials and all. So let me zoom in this app. Wait a second. Yeah. Now let's come here, come to host, and just scan for host. Okay, I'm scanning for host. Now Wait. Yeah, you can see here there are a lot of IP addresses and MAC address, including with that IP addresses. So this I already said that this is the default gateway IP address. This is 192.168.153.2, right? And belonging to that there is also one MAC address, and one like I've said also that 192.168.153.130, and beside that there is one also MAC address, and this is the victim machine IP address. Just remember that. Now what we have to do? Now we what have to do? Just map that victim machine IP address to target one, right? Target one, just map. I have mapped, right? And default gateway, that is default gateway work for both the Kali machine and both my PC, that router IP address, that is default gateway, I would say. So 91.168.123.1.2 I have shown you there. So just map to the target 2. Okay, now just go here, scroll here, up, down, up, and just see here there will be menu. Then just click here, ARP poisoning. Okay, man in the middle attack. Basically, what is the meaning of man in the middle attack? I want to elaborate here. Man in the middle attack means the actually the victim is means scrolling any websites and all. He is opening, and he was thinking that actually whatever the IP addresses he is getting and whatever he is sending, that all comes from the means secure end. But at the other end there was one attacker. He was sitting beside behind him, and he was taking advantage of all the things. So he is here in man in the middle, so a kind of attacker. So that's why it's called man in the middle attack. Now just okay, now you can see here ARP poisoning victims. This one, this is the victim, and this is the default gateway, right? Now let's come to the app. Let's open Wireshark. I've already shared means told about Wireshark, what is Wireshark and why it is very useful while tracing the packets. Let's go to the application. Now let's go to Wireshark. Now we have to select Etho because we have connected with ETHO. That is, we have to select this, and just we have to write here. Wait a second, I need to zoom in so that you will be more comfortable to see. Now IRP, I have to write ARP, then just click enter, right? Now just open this, and now you can see that he will be capturing so many packets and all, like VMware machine. And here you can see a lot of means IP address and MAC address is coming from VMware machine and broadcast means they are broadcasting. So we need to select which one. I would say the default gateway IP address, that is 192.168 point. There are a lot of means IP addresses and MAC addresses will be reflecting here, right? But you need to notice that there is one IP address, that is 192.168.153.2, and belonging to that there will be IP address of the attacker machine, that is at the last. I would say I already mentioned there that just notice that 6A is ending with that MAC address. That is the attacker's Kali Linux MAC address, and belonging to that there is IP address which is of IP address of victim machine. So we have to just click here. Okay, now just click here, right? Just click address resolution protocol ARP. You can see here there is sender MAC, there is sender IP address. You can see 192.168.132.2, that is the center, that is default gateway.